Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So, keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ang energies natin or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Uy. Okay, so we have here this Eight of Wands, the Five of Swords. Uy, dalawang five. Ace of Wands. Uy, dalawang ace. 5511, 5151, or 1515. Seven of Swords, Knight of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and this Five of Wands. So, yung bottom card natin dito is the World. The World. And tingnan natin sa signs and symbol cards. Parang marami kasi dito sa inyo ang single ngayon, ayan. Or you're waiting na makipag-usap ulit itong taong ito. We have here the Ace of Cups, waiting for a new beginning. Parang hinihintay nyo siya na siya yung lumapit sa'yo. Kasi maaaring siya yung may ginawang hindi maganda in the past na hinihintay mo siya na dapat siya yung, kumbaga, kung nagtatampuhan man kayo or nagkatampuhan kayo, siya yung may kasalanan, parang nagmamataas ka dito na pinaninindigan mo na siya yung nagkamali. Should dapat siya yung lumapit, di ba? So tama naman yun. Lalo na kung si Divine Masculine yun, di ba? Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Kasi parang may ginawa na naman tong kalokohan eh. Tingnan natin dito. Signs and symbol cards natin. So, kumbaga, kung sino yung nagkamali, dapat siya yung humingi ng tawad. Siya yung lumapit. Siya yung, yung sumuyo, kumbaga. We have here the crystal ball, coins. Oh, nagkaroon nga ng third issue dito, third party. Ba't puro third issue? Third party. Dream catcher, candle, waterfalls, and the mirror card. So, yung bottom card, money. Uy, maaaring money. Pera, pinagtalunan ng pera. No. So, tingnan natin, ano bang message ng archangels natin? We have here Clear Sentience by Archangel Rockwell. Notice your recurring physical and emotional feelings as they signify divine guidance. Highlight natin to. Recurring. Bilugan natin yan. Recurring. Ayan, di ba? So, ayan, may mga nag-aano na naman dyan. Ano na naman mga feelings from the past, di ba? So, parang signify divine guidance. Oh. No, ulitin pa natin. Notice your recurring physical and emotional feelings as they signify divine guidance. Oh. Nako, ito na naman mga unfinished business, unfinished na mga feelings from the past, na mga muling nagbabalik, muling ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Mga messages cards natin. The Hidden Truth Oracle cards. It's time for me to heal now. I wish I had treated you better. I know I was a distraction from your pain. I hope that you can forgive me one day. You speak to me through music. I feel you even though we are apart. I wonder if you're happy without me. My life is not as together as it seems. Oh, kasi hindi daw siya okay ngayon eh. Hindi siya okay ngayon. And I wonder if you're happy without me. Yun lang mga thoughts niya, no? So, yung bottom card, I know I messed up everything. Pero ano kasi, we have this 8 of Wands dito eh. Parang 'tong mga conflicts na 'to na nangyari sa inyong past, parang sinasabi niya dito, "Puwede bang kalimutan na lang natin 'yun, wag na nating pag-awayan 'yun, past is past," gano'n. Kasi may mga siguro may mga ginawa siyang mali noon na parang ulit-ulit binabalikan, kaya parang nauumay na daw siya or ikaw, kasi maaaring magkabaliktad ang energies natin dito, maaaring mag-shift. Parang may nauumay na binabalik-balikan yung mga pagkakamali niya noon, na puwede bang kalimutan na lang natin 'yun, para maging maayos 'tong relasyon natin kasi ayaw na daw ng lagi kayong nag-aaway, lagi niyong binabalik-balikan yung hindi magandang nakaraan, mga gano'ng bagay. So, tingnan natin, tarot messages cards. I want to marry you someday. Oh, can I call you? Crying over you, feeling lost. Can't sleep thinking of you all night long. Tingnan mo naman ang nangyayari sa taong ito. Crying now, can't sleep pa. And this is not over yet. Can we start again? Oh, husband-wife material. Talking to you telepathically. I regret rejecting you. So, tingnan natin sa initials. Ang mga initials natin dito. PQ. Letter G. JZ. A. R. And letter D yung bottom card. So, tingnan natin sa ating blue card muna. Blue card, manipulation, passion, and acceptance. Tatanggapin mo pa ba? Acceptance. So, tingnan natin sa ating general signs and the messages. Birthmark. Taurus, October, high expectations, funny, lake, creepy stalker, beach. Sarap mag-beach ngayon, ang init pa rin, no? Coins, Gemini, dimple, good heart, Mindanao, number 6, maring December 6, mountain card. This one is animal lover, may other country, city, September, flower, skin tag, intelligent, Virgo, flirtatious, Libra, Sagittarius, and last card natin, future lover. Wow. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.